Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best professional clamp meter. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's the result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Beneng. Model number, DT266. High definition digital display screen to better see the screen value. This meter is completely portable, LCD digital clamp meter with option 500 volt insulation tester unit. High insulation resistance hole, smooth fastening, good insertion and removal. Designed for use by electricians, technicians, servicemen and hobbyists who required an instrument that is accurate, reliable, and always ready for use. It has rugged structure design, good feeling held in operator's hand and convenient use. Versatile clamp meter for direct measurement of AC current. The operation is inconvenient. The operation error may cause the electric shock and so on danger. Non-contact is more secure, easy to operate, convenient and practical. AC current can be measured by directly pinching a wire. Non-contact is safer. Multi-function clamped multimeter is more convenient to use. Number 4. Brand name, Beneng. Model number, ST184. ST184 is a portable, professional measuring instrument, with a liquid crystal digital display and a backlight, so users can read easily. In addition, it has overload protection and low battery indication. Whether used by professionals, factories, schools, enthusiasts or families, ideal multifunctional instrument. It is made of high-quality material, which can withstand long-lasting use. It can measure AC, DC voltage, AC current, resistance and test continuity. Features LCD backlight design, easier to use and read. Proper size, you can keep it comfortably in your hand. Can be used for electrical equipment maintenance and equipment testing. No need to break the wire. Clamp a wire with the clamp head to detect AC current. Adjust the gear to NCV, and then insert the test lead into the hole to detect live. The screen value and measurement position can be clearly seen in a dark environment. Number 3. Brand name, ABF. Model number, CS206B. Digitally adjusted before leaving the factory, the self-calibration measurement is accurate every time the machine is turned on, and the linearity is good. Good ergonomic design, comfortable holding experience. In the dark or dim environment, the flashlight function can be turned on during use for convenient measurement. This product does not carry battery, need to 1.5 volt battery to be able to work normally, because carry battery will produce expensive freight, in order to let you buy cheap and beautiful products. We decided not to carry battery. It is recommended that you purchase batteries at nearby stores. Number 2. Brand name, Psy. Model number, ACM81, 82, 91. Ultra portable tools for advanced electricians. The DC-AC current can be tested quickly, accurately and safely without damaging the insulation on the line surface. The ACM81, 82, 91 series of clamp meters have true RMS characteristics and 1 mA resolution. Has dual impedance test voltage. Can effectively meet the needs of professionals. The Pellucid series of clamp meters is equipped with different test functions. There are 2 voltage measurement modes, low impedance mode and general mode. 2 colors, blue and black, meet the needs of different customers at a more affordable price. Maximum display, 6,000 counts. Compared with similar products, the ACM8291 still has 1 mA accuracy for a larger measurement range 0 to 6 ampere. The automatic range operation mode can effectively avoid burning the table, and the operation is safer and faster. Number 1. Brand name, UniT. Model number, UT210E. UT210E is a true power mini digital clamp meter with high reliability, safety, precision and compact design. Ultra-portable tools for advanced electricians. True RMS response for AC current. 100 ampere AC and DC current measurement with 1 mA resolution. VFO function for measuring signal at various 600 volt AC and DC voltage measurement. Resistance, diode, continuity and capacitance functions. Non-contact voltage detection with LED indication, display backlight. Data hold. And zero mode. It with non-contact electric field measure. If you want to measure whether there is AC voltage or electromagnetic field, you can choose range. It's not only a clamp meter, but also with multimeter function, you can test AC-DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, diode. Manual backlight LCD screen, the maximum display value is 2000. Auto range and auto power off.